Good
Good morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, 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 everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so we are doing congruence.
Yes,
Have you finished it? We
Yes,
are.
sir.
Can you tell me which question we are on?
sir. 9, I think.
We are on question number 9.
12th question.
Chapter number.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Question number 12.
We are on question 12. Okay, I gave you question 11 in homework. I remember. We have to do question 12, and we have completed the syllabus for your
Reasoning.
and ranking. We have completed the syllabus. Okay. Now we will continue with the chapter congruence. We left it in between. Strength is very low. Only 11 students. Anushka is there. Anushka beta, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Beta, you were not these past few days. You were not attending the classes.
Yes, sir.
Any particular reason?
No, sir.
No. Were you watching the videos?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's start.
From which question?
Question 12.
okay, sir.
This was a question of 9th class. This is not a test paper. Look this one, which was on the board. This was of 9th. Tell me. Question 12. Exercise. What? Which exercise? 16.
So 16.
Correct. 16.
Question 12. Question is saying that in the given figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, both in which AB is equal to AC if AB and AC are produced to D and E respectively, such that BD is equal to CE. Okay. What else? Prove that BE is equal to CD. Study. See, look at this. This is triangle ABC. In this, it is an isosceles triangle, so it is given that AB is equal to AC. Okay, and we have produced the side AB to point D. D point is produced here, and we have produced side AC up to point E such that BD is equal to CE. आपको BD की लेंथ CE के इक्वल गिवन है. ओके, क्या क्या गिवन है? AB is equal to AC and AB is produced to point D. AC is produced to point E such that BD is equal to CE. Now you have to prove that the length of CD is equal to the length of BD. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. ओके, BE is equal to CD. ठीक है, let's do it.
Okay, sir.
so we are going to prove congruency. मुझे अगर CD और BE को इक्वल प्रूव करना है, I can prove that triangle DAC is congruent to, फिर से सुनिए, DAC is congruent to EAB, triangle EAB, ये वाला DAC and EAB को congruent करके I can prove that CD is equal to BE. Okay, got it? कैसे करेंगे, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
There are other ways of doing it also.
Yes,
I would prefer this method of doing it. और भी तरीके हैं करने के. Okay, so with those methods also you can do it.
So first we will make two triangles congruent by proving them, and then we will prove the two sides by CPCT.
हाँ, yes. पहले हम triangle DAC and EAB को congruent prove कर देंगे. And
Sir, by
then
which property?
अभी बताता हूँ कैसे प्रूव करेंगे. Then after proving that the two triangles are congruent, we can say that BE and CD are equal CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. अच्छा, थोड़ा लेट आए हैं बच्चे आज तो क्लासेस जल्दी ओवर हो गए थे, कुछ बच्चे लेट ज्वाइन करें. बेटा why are you all, मतलब some of you are joining late, 2-3 of you.
Sir, because of the test, my schedule got disturbed, so I was eating lunch. Sorry, breakfast.
Breakfast. You were having a breakfast. क्या खाया ब्रेकफास्ट में? कुछ अच्छा खाया होगा तो मैं कुछ बताऊं. अच्छा, मुझे ऐसा लगा कुछ खाया तो मुझे पसंद नहीं तो बहुत डांट लगेगी. बताओ क्या खाया? जल्दी बताओ. सोच रहा है लड़का, झूठ बोलेगा.
Sir, what? Sir, what I have to tell?
मैं कह रहा हूँ मिश्रा जी, अगर आपने ब्रेकफास्ट में कुछ अच्छा सा खाया होगा तो डांट नहीं लगाऊंगा, और कुछ ऐसा खाया जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है तो बहुत डांट लगाऊंगा लेट आने के लिए.
No, sir, only I had bread butter. Nothing.
ब्रेड बटर
Yes, sir.
छोड़ दे रहा हूँ, मैं खा लेता हूँ ब्रेड, ब्राउन ब्रेड, बटर नहीं खाता हूँ.
सर गाजर का हलवा.
गाजर का हलवा, ओहो, बस बस, चलिए पढ़ते हैं. चलो बेटा, मैं पढ़ा नहीं पाऊंगा, ज्यादा अच्छे अच्छे डिशेस के नाम मत लो. देखिए, सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव कॉन्ग्रुएंसी. मैंने अभी आपको बताया इन ट्राइंगल EAB एंड ट्राइंगल
ADC and AB.
यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ इन ट्राइंगल DAC एंड ट्राइंगल EAB. देखिए कैसे कॉन्ग्रुएंट करूंगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
और ऐसे
देखो बेटा, AB is equal to AC, this is given. Equation number 1. And BD is equal to CE, this is also given, this is equation number 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. If we add equation 1 and equation 2, adding 1 and 2, AB, जब दो इक्वेशंस को ऐड करते हैं, हमने उसमें सीखा था आपने, डू यू रिमेंबर? इनइक्वालिटी.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
इक्वालिटीज वाले चैप्टर में आपने सीखा था हाउ टू ऐड इक्वेशन और इन इक्वेशंस ऐड करनी. वहां पर यहाँ पर हम इक्वेशंस को ऐड कर रहे हैं. So when you add
Yes,
equations, you add the LHS of both the equations, AB plus BD. दोनों का LHS ऐड हो जाएगा.
Sir, AB plus BD is equal to 8.
Equals to AC plus CE. AC plus CE. जरा फिगर में देखो. AB plus BD makes
Sir,
what?
sir, AD is equals to CE.
Yes,
If I
sir.
add
AD is equal
AB
to
and
A.
BD, it becomes what? It becomes AD. Am I right or not?
AD.
BD और AB add करके क्या बन जाएगा? AD. So I got side AD equals to AE. मुझे AD, AC plus CE क्या बनेगा? AC plus CE becomes AE. So
AE.
AD equals to AE मिल गया. This is first thing. स्टार लगा दिया मैंने. Okay. अच्छा ये थोड़ा और क्लियर करने के लिए I am going to make the triangles separately like this. थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाता है. So ये कौन सा ट्राइंगल है? This is triangle DAC. आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. मैंने दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को ऐसे पकड़ के अलग खींच दिया. ओके, दोनों को पकड़ा और ऐसे खींच दिया. It looks something like this. This is triangle A B E. तो ऐसे बन गए ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स. ओके, अब now we have already proved that AD is equal to AE. AD को मैं AE के
Then
equal,
AC is equal to AB given.
ठीक है. AD AE मैं इक्वल प्रूव कर चुका हूँ. What else? AC and AB मुझे स्टार्टिंग से इक्वल दिए हुए हैं. देखिए ध्यान से. AB
Yes,
and
sir.
AC की लेंथ मुझे दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में देखिए AC AB आ रहा है. So can I write it here? मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ इसके बाद. AC is the side of which triangle? Can you tell me AC is a side of which triangle?
So the left one.
तो triangles में मैं
So the left one.
triangle
left.
हाँ,
Left one.
ये-
AC.
and AB is a side of triangle,
Right.
right one.
And sir, angle A is common.
Triangle EAB.
तो दो चीजें मिल गई. AD equals to AE मैंने स्टार लगा दिया इस पर. यहाँ पर भी मैं स्टार लगा रहा हूँ. सेकंड चीज मिल गई मुझे. And third thing is angle A is equal to angle A, which is common in both the triangles. This is given. ये ऊपर वाली जो इक्वेशन थी वो गिवन थी आपको. AC equal to AB. Angle A is equal to angle A, common. Now there are three things. Angle A दोनों जगह common हो गया. Tell me by which criteria you can say that the two triangles are
Sir,
common.
SAS.
SAS, side angle side.
Side angle side.
Yes. Therefore, triangle DAC is congruent to triangle EAB by SAS.
And sir, DC is equal to
So-
CE by CCPT.
CD equals to BE CPCT. जब हम CPCT लिखते हैं तो by CPCT नहीं लिखते हैं, केवल CPCT लिखते हैं. ओके, याद रखिएगा. What is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding
The
parts of
corresponding parts of
Corresponding
parts of
Corresponding parts of congruent triangle.
angles.
congruent triangle.
Very good. So when we write CPCT, we don't write it like by CPCT. We don't write it like this. We write only CPCT. Okay.
Sir, why?
बेटा by CPCT का मतलब जरा full form बोलो इसकी. What is the meaning of by CPCT? By corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ये English proper नहीं है. Okay. So corresponding parts
Okay,
of
sir.
congruent triangles is sufficient. Okay. Writing this in the bracket is sufficient.
Sir, we will do mensuration after this chapter.
We will do constructions after this and then mensuration.
Okay, sir.
Only these two chapters are left, constructions and mensuration. Any other? Okay, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Sir, only two.
No, sir, only these two.
Only these two.
we have to do question 13. Also, you will do.
Beta, let me see the question. Question 13. Okay, I will help you in this. I will do it. This is the question which I was talking about when I was talking the kite key properties. You can use congruence in the topic kites. So if you see the figure in question 13, it is a kite. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Right, eh?
Yes,
I
sir.
was
Yes, sir.
talking about this only, that you can relate kite with the topic congruence also. So when we do question 13, you will understand exactly what I was saying.
The class will over at 11:20.
It will get over at 11:20. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is started at 10:40 and it will get over at 11:20.
So same timing.
Same regular. Third period is going on. So regularly we have this third period at 10:40 only. So today also we are having at the same time. I will miss my periods in class 7B. Daily I have my first period in 7th B. So I will miss my first period in 7B for 8 or 9 days. Whatever time it will take to finish the UTs. I don't know how I will be able
Sir,
to.
10 days.
10
So
days.
you can take
Sir,
arrangement.
because there are 2 holidays now. So,
Otherwise, you have maths, sorry, English, Hindi, maths, science, social,
So 9 exams.
reasoning, Sanskrit or French, reasoning, Sanskrit, and GK.
So
Anything else?
computer.
Computer. 9 exams you have. So 9 days I will miss my class.
11 days.
Matlab, including holidays, if I am not including the holidays, 9 periods I am going to miss in 7th B. No. Yeah, question number 13, all of you. So in the adjoining figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Also, D is a point such that BD is equal to CD. Prove that AD bisects angle A and angle D. अरे ये तो बहुत easy है. This is not the thing that I was talking about. चलो कोई नहीं. This is an easy one. ये वो नहीं है exactly जो मैं कह रहा था height के बारे में. I will explain कि मेरा क्या नहीं था. Okay. So the figure is this. There is an isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, here AB is equal to AC, and there is a point D such that BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. So can I say that triangle DBC is also isosceles?
yes, sir.
Both the triangles are isosceles on a common base BC.
Yes,
There
sir.
is common side of both the triangles, which is BC, and both the triangles are isosceles. So this makes a kite. इसको थोड़ा ऐसे opposite कर दें, इसको upside down कर दें, then it will exactly look like a kite. So Now here AD is joined. आपको बहुत सिंपल सा एक काम करना है. That prove that the diagonal AD of this quadrilateral, if we talk ABDC is a quadrilateral. So diagonal AD bisects angle A and angle D. This is what we have to prove. How simple है? So we can prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB is equal to AC given BD is equal to CD, again given, and AD is equal to AD common in both the triangles. Are you getting my point? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by which criteria?
Sir, SSS.
Yes, by
Yes.
triple S criteria, we can say that both the triangles are congruent to each other. और CPCT से हमको क्या मिल गया? CPCT से हमको मिला एंगल BAD equals to angle CAD. CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangle. These two angles, इन दोनों angles की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. हमको ये दोनों angles equal मिल गए. Can we say that the two angles are equal because they are corresponding parts?
Yes, sir.
BAD CAD की congruent मैं कर चुका हूँ. So these two angles are equal. CPCT. Also, अच्छा ये दोनों angles equal हैं. Then we can say that AD. Therefore, we can say that AD is bisecting angle in. जब ये दोनों angles equal हैं तो
Yes,
can I
sir.
say that AD
Yes,
angle
sir.
bisect करा है. That means दो equal parts में काटा है. काटा है नहीं काटा है. जब ये दोनों equal.
Yes, sir.
तो AD bisects angle A. पहली बात हो गई. एंगल ए को
So then, sir, BDA is equal to
दो
CD.
इक्वल पार्ट्स में काट दिया. एंड इसके बाद एंगल BDA is also equals to angle CDA. इसके पीछे क्या रीजन है?
So
The reason is
CBCD.
that CPCT.
CPCT.
Corresponding parts of मैंने दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को कॉम्बिनेट करा हुआ तो मैं ये वाले एंगल्स को भी इक्वल बोल सकता हूँ. एंगल BDA is equal to angle CDA. इससे मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ that AD is bisecting angle D. So AD bisects angle D, hence proved. Got it? बहुत simple था.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
So done.
Sir, please again tell the full form of CPCT.
Corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Question 14. All of you have done this. If two triangles
Yes,
have
sir.
their corresponding angles equal, question 14 पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं. If two triangles
Yes,
have their
sir.
corresponding angles equal, are they always congruent? If not,
No,
draw
sir,
two.
there is no, sir, AAA degree.
So this is an activity you can do it at home. दो triangles अगर ऐसे बनाएं जिसमें दोनों triangles के सारे angles equal हैं, but they will not be congruent. ये हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. और मैंने आपको जब वीडियो
Sir, because there is no triple A formula.
Yes, sir,
Sorry,
there is
no
not
triple A
triple A.
property.
yes, तो जब मैंने when I showed you those videos उसमें दिखाया भी था that you can make two triangles where all the angles are equal, but still they cannot be मतलब always they will not be congruent. Why? Because we can make two triangles of same angles of different sizes. उनका साइज मैं डिफरेंट कर सकता हूँ. साइज एक ट्राइंगल छोटा बना दिया, एक ट्राइंगल बड़ा बना दिया, तो एंगल्स तो दोनों में इक्वल होंगे, बट still because of the sizes, different sizes, the triangles will not be congruent. ठीक है, so you can if you want you can do this activity in homework in your copy and show it. Okay, question 15. Are two triangles congruent if two sides and an angle of a triangle are respectively equal to two sides
Yes,
and
sir.
an angle of the other?
Yes, sir, by SAS.
By SSA.
Sir.
No,
Sir, SS. Yes, sir. It is
not
congruent.
always. You cannot say always the two triangles will be congruent. So हमारा answer is question
Yes, sir,
का
because if it's SSA, then sir, it would be not congruent. But if it is SAS, then it will be congruent.
So it is, they are congruent in some special cases. जैसे कि if the angle which they are talking about, जो angle दो sides और एक angle की बात,
SAS.
if the angle which they are talking about is between the two sides, then we can say that the two triangles are congruent. If अगर angle उनके बीच वाला नहीं है, if the angle is not included between the sides, then the two triangles will not be congruent, will not always be congruent. Okay, so ये पूछना है अगर ऐसा नहीं है, then under what condition will they be congruent? कौन सी condition में congruent होंगे बताइए.
SAS.
SAS condition अगर होगी तो
SAS.
congruent होंगे. एक और condition है जिसमें congruent हो सकते हैं, RHS. RHS में भी दो
Sir,
साइड पर एक एंगल congruent होता है. RHS में भी दो साइड से एक एंगल होता है ना, राइट और नॉट? RHS
Yes, sir.
नहीं होता है.
Sir,
RHS
The
is there any property
hypotenuse, side,
AAS?
and one angle 90.
RHS criteria क्या होता है? If the two sorry, if one angle is 90 in both the triangles, hypotenuse equal है and one side is equal, तो हम इसको RHS बोलते हैं. तो here again you can see there are two sides and one angle. So दो special
Yes,
cases
sir.
में congruent हो सकते हैं. The first case is SAS and the second case is RHS.
Sir, can I ask one more thing?
Yes.
Sir, is there any property as SAA or AAS?
हाँ, AAS तो होती है obviously. मैंने बताया भी है, आपको नोट भी कराई है.
Sir, please tell again.
AAS प्रॉपर्टी होती है.
Sir, angle side.
हाँ, इसमें क्या बताना है? इसमें दो एंगल्स होंगे, एक साइड होगी, एंड जो
So, sir,
थर्ड
it should, if the side is not between, then it's also it would be equal.
साइड जो है वो बीच में नहीं होगी एंगल्स के. ओके, अगर साइड बीच में नहीं है एंगल्स के तो उस प्रॉपर्टी को हम AAS बोलेंगे. एंड अगर साइड दोनों एंगल्स के बीच वाली है तो उसको हम एंगल साइड एंगल बुलाएंगे. दोनों क्राइटेरिया
Yes,
होते हैं, दोनों both the criterias are absolutely correct and we can say that the two
Okay,
triangles
sir.
are congruent. Okay, AAS and ASA दोनों सही है. ठीक है. Last one is question 16. Sorry, not the last one. This is third last. इसके बाद 17 और 18 भी है. True, false, fill-ups. चलिए, question 16. Draw triangle ABC, triangle PQR such that they are equal in area but not congruent. ऐसा कर सकते हैं, बहुत सिंपल काम है. Can we do this? Yes, obviously we can do this. मैं आपको example देता हूँ. देखिए.
Sir, their angles can be same and size can be bigger or shorter.
Yes. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, नहीं नहीं, नॉट द एंगल्स. एंगल्स अगर सेम होंगे तो एरियाज कभी भी, मतलब अगर ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल बट द ट्रायंगल्स आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट, तो उनके एरियाज कभी भी इक्वल नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज फिर साइज छोटा बड़ा हो जाएगा. ओके, मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको. फॉर एग्जांपल,
Okay, sir.
suppose this is yeah, let's assume that this side of this triangle is 9 centimeter and the height of the triangle is 8 centimeters. इसका एरिया क्या होगा? आपको ड्रॉ नहीं करना है. ओके, एरिया क्या होगा? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट इज द एरिया. हाफ इंटू 9 इंटू हाइट कितनी है? 8. So what is the area in this case? It is 4 into
36.
9, 36 centimeters square. Yeah. Let me draw another triangle.
Yes, sir.
देखो, suppose this is the triangle. Here the base is 18 centimeters and the height is, मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, the height is 4 centimeters. पहले तो मुझे बताइए, अदर टू ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट किसी तरीके से कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं?
No, sir.
No, sir.
They are not at all congruent to each other, but when you see the areas of the two triangles, it will be equal. So half into 18 into 4, what is the area? 36 centimeter again. 36 centimeter square. So is it possible कि दो triangles के area same हो but still the triangles are not congruent? Yes, it is possible.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So this is an example. ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे examples हो सकते हैं. This is one example I have given you. But
The chapter is over.
one more thing. If the triangles are congruent, then their areas will always be equal. अगर triangles congruent है तो areas हमेशा equal होंगे. Okay, but if the areas are equal, the triangles will not always be congruent. ऐसा हम नहीं कह सकते कि हमेशा triangles congruent होंगे, लेकिन अगर triangles congruent है तो areas हमेशा equal होंगे. Can we say like this or not? Yes, सही कह रहा हूँ ना मैं? नहीं, समझ में
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
आया?
Sir, समझ आ गया.
अगर दो ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो उनके एरियाज हमेशा इक्वल होंगे. बट एरियाज अगर इक्वल हैं, मान लीजिए दो ट्राइंगल्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी एरियाज इक्वल हैं, जैसे कि ये, तो ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे ऐसा नहीं कहा जा सकता. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ओके, सो क्वेश्चन 17 एंड 18 मैं डिस्कस करूं और यू कैन डू इट ऑन योर ओन. डू दीस क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर ओन.
Sir, on.
करिए. स्टार्ट डूइंग क्वेश्चन 17 एंड 18. Tomorrow you have which exam?
26
Sir,
January.
tomorrow is holiday of Republic Day.
Day after tomorrow.
Computer.
Computer.
Okay. Very difficult subject है ना?
No, sir. इतना नहीं है.